Hi, it's Ryan with TechnicallySpeakn. Today we're doing a review on two of the world's smallest Bluetooth speakers. Let's get into it. Today we're going to do a review and comparison on two of the smallest Bluetooth speakers. One is the BigR Audio Quark and the other one is the Insiq smallest Bluetooth speaker. Quark speaker is 1 inch wide, is 0.75 ounces, and it has 2.5 hours of playback time. The Insiq speaker is 1.2 inches wide, and it's 2.1 ounces, and it has 2 hours of playback time. So open them up, check them out, see what's in the box. So both of the speakers came with a little keychain cable and this little thing on the end that can actually plug up, where it can hold on to your cell phone, plug up into your earphone jack, and the speaker can hang from it right here. It's kind of cool. Or you can hook it to your keys. It has like a little thing you have where you can hook it to like some keys or something like that. Let me put them together. As far as build quality, the Quark Bluetooth speaker is pretty much all wood, and the Insiq is like a silicone rubber type feel, kind of like a phone case or something like that. And let's cut them on and see how they sound. Alright, so neither one of the devices were charged straight out the box, so I had to take and go charge them up. About to cut them on and compare them. But keep in mind that this tiny Bluetooth speaker is twice the price of this one. This one was about $15, this one is like $32. Let's plug them up and see which one sounds best. Let's pair them up, see which one sounds best. I'm gonna start with the BigR Quark.
Hi, I'm waiting for a connection. Quark on.
Full volume. Don't sound bad, it's loud. Our headphones. Let's get into it. This thing loud, man. This is so small. All right, let's try it out on the Insiq Bluetooth speaker.
Bluetooth device ready. Bluetooth device connected.
Oh, way louder.
See what's in the box. Hi, it's Rhino with Technically Speaking. Today we're doing a review on Sound Intone 6.5 headphones. Let's get into it.
Okay, so right now, from what I can tell, from what I can hear, actually the Insiq, which is only $15, this Bluetooth speaker is a lot louder than this one, and it kind of has a little bit more clarity to this speaker. I don't know, it says that these two speakers also have like a shutter tone. Like if you have your camera on, you can press the speaker and it'll open and close the shutter, which will snap the picture for you. So I don't know. I'm gonna try and play some music, see how that sounds. YouTube ad.
Bluetooth device connected. Bluetooth device disconnected.
All right, in comparison, what I think the Quark speaker actually sounds like a really loud cell phone speaker, and this speaker just has a more fuller sound to it. Has a better all-around sound. Not too much bass, but it has a lot more bass than this. This has a deeper sound to it than this. This is a little tinny. I don't know. My opinion, this is consumable, and this is actually double the price. This is definitely not consumable. So, my opinion, I will buy this speaker over this one. This one actually sounds real good. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a giveaway. If you look in the description below, you'll see how you could win you one of these and get it shipped straight to you. So that's it. This is Ryan with Technically Speaking. Remember, don't be consumed. I'm out.